হ্যাঁ, divide the polynomial by long division method. So how to divide a polynomial by long division method? Now let us take an example. Suppose example 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus thrice x minus 1 by x minus 1. So dividend is 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus thrice x minus 1, and the divisor is x minus 1. So to match the first term of the dividend, we require to multiply this x by how much? This x by how much? 3x to the power 4 means 3x to the power 4 you get, means 3, just repeat, 3 into x into x into x into x. Now 1x is already there, so 1x is already there. So how many things are left? This gives you 3x cubed. That means 3x cubed into x. So this to be multiplied with 3x cubed. Okay. So when you multiply these things, it gives you 3x to the power 4, and this multiply minus 3x cubed. So this is the x. Now this is the x cubed term. So you write here minus 3x cubed just below this. Okay. Now put here minus and put here plus. So this cancels out. This thing cancels out. Okay. Now what is the remainder now? X cubed minus 4x cubed plus 3x cubed. Remainder is minus x cubed minus thrice x minus 1. Okay. Now what needs to be multiplied with this x to be x cubed? So x into x square gives you x cubed. You need to multiply this x minus 1 by x square. So here this minus, so put a minus sign over there, minus x square. Okay. So now let us multiply minus x cubed minus x cubed. Now minus and this minus is the plus, so you get plus x square. So here there is no x square term here. Here there is no x square term. Any x square term is over there? No. So you have to write x square just here. Minus into minus plus, this gives you x square. Okay. Now do the addition and subtraction. Put plus, right? Put minus here. This cancels out. This cancels out. And now the term remaining is minus thrice x minus 1 minus x square. Yes or no? So now to write this thing, we can rearrange the things in a proper way. We can write this minus x square first at the beginning. Okay, as per the order. Okay, minus x square. Now write minus thrice x minus 1. So we can erase this term and write this term fresh way here. Okay, this minus x square minus thrice x minus 1. Got my point? This is the minus x square. I have written this minus this one here. Okay, these I have dropped over here, and this is minus 1. The same thing I have written. Just I have rearranged it. so that it is easy for you to multiply with the division. Okay, now what needs to be multiplied with this x minus 1 to get minus x square? Now we know x into x is equal to x square. So x, this to be multiplied with minus x to get minus x square. Okay, so minus x. Now minus x into x gives you minus x square. Okay, minus into minus, this is plus x into 1. Minus x into minus 1 gives you plus x. Yes or no? Now put a plus sign over here, minus sign. This cancels out. This cancels out, and the remaining thing is minus 3x minus x. This gives you minus 4x, and this is minus 1. Now what needs to be multiplied with this x to give you minus 4x? X into 4. That means x into minus 4 is equal to minus 4x. So here comes minus 4. So now we can write minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, so now this thing cancels out over here. So this is plus, this is minus, this cancels out, and your remaining thing is, the remainder is minus 5. Okay. Okay. Now we have divided it in by x minus 1. Okay. Now we have divided it by x minus 1. Sorry. We have divided it by x minus 1. So we polynomial, if this equation is written as px is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed minus thrice x minus 1. Okay, now we can write x is equal to, we are dividing
x minus 1 equal to 0, x equals to 1.
X minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. So P1 gives you 3 into 1 to the power 4 minus 4 into 1 to the power 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. Solving, we get 1 to the power 4 means 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is 1, into 4 is minus 4. Minus 3 minus 3, and this is minus 1. So total is 3 and minus term is, total plus term is 3 and minus term is minus 7 minus 8. Only this one 3 minus 8, so this gives you minus 5, which is the remainder. Okay, thank you.